Super favorite to ni Zain, kaya pagka may hinog na saging lakatan kami is palagi ko tong binibake. Hey guys, Cecil here. Today, gagawa naman tayo itong napakasarap na banana muffins. Malambot, loaded ng chocolate chips, kaya sigurado akong magugustuhan to ng mga anak nyo. To start, meron ako ditong 4 na perasong saging lakatan. Overripe na to guys, babalatan ko lang to and imamash ko lang. Ang complete list sa ingredients nito guys is ilagay ko sa dulo ng video. After kong mamashed is lagyan ko ng isang whole eggs. Maglagay din ako ng 1 teaspoon na vanilla extract para matanggal ang langsa ng egg. And halo-haluin ko lang. After this is maglagay ako ng sugar. Brown sugar ang ginamit ko guys. 1/4 cup lang and 1/4 cup na evaporated milk. Hindi ko siya nilagay lahat. Later natin ilagay yung half. And after this is halo-haluin lang natin and let's add our dry ingredients. For this recipe guys, ang ginamit ko is all-purpose flour 1 and 1/2 cup and 1 tablespoon na baking powder and 2 kurot ng asin. After this is halo-haloin lang natin until no traces of flour. And after this is saka naman natin i-add yung natira kaninang evaporated milk. Haluin lang natin ulit until maging smooth ang ating mixture guys. And after this one is mag-a-add na tayo ng ating chocolate chips. 1/2 cup ang ginamit ko dito guys. And halo-haloin lang din natin until well combined. And after na mahalo natin is mag-prepare na tayo sa ating mga cupcake sheets. So maglagay lang tayo dito ng about 3/4 full and on top lagyan natin ng chocolate chips at i-bake natin ito in a preheated oven at 180°C for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, ayan, luto na ang ating napakasarap na chocolate chips banana muffins. Thank you for watching!